Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best GPS watches on Amazon. GPS watches mean this is a problem of the past. These devices do everything my phone did and much more in some cases. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 7. The Apple Watch Series 7 is one of the most well-rounded GPS watches on the market and suitable for multiple activities, as long as you have an iPhone. The wireless fast charging is 33% faster than the Series 6, but its battery only lasts for around 18 hours. The 1.9-inch OLED display is 20% larger than the last iteration, but since the bezels are about 40% thinner, it doesn't take up much more space on your wrist. This model has an always-on altimeter and blood oxygen monitoring feature. It can also give you ECG data notifications if the watch detects an irregular heart rhythm. This model is more dust and crack resistant and is water resistant to 50 meters. What we like about it: 32 GB of internal memory, wireless fast charging, lots of wellness and activity tracking features, waterproof to 50 meters, works with Apple apps and Apple Pay. What we don't like about it: short battery life, not compatible with Android devices. Number 2. Amazfit T-Rex Pro. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro is excellent value for money and doesn't look or feel cheap. It features a 1.3-inch AMOLED always-on color screen, which is surrounded by a bezel that's undergone a metal spraying process. It weighs just 60 grams but has passed 15 military grade 1 tests, so it's built to last. It works with 4 global navigation satellite systems and has a 40-hour battery life with GPS in continuous working mode. It has a maximum battery life of 18 days, but this drops to 9 days with heavy usage. It's water resistant to a depth of 100 meters, so it's well suited to anyone who's into water sports. What we like about it: great value. Battery lasts for up to 18 days. Water resistant to 100 meters. Durable. What we don't like about it: lack of connectivity features and apps. Number 3. Garmin Fenix 7 Solar. If you take your sporting endeavors seriously and can be pinned down to just one activity, the Garmin Fenix 7 Solar is for you. This model features a 1.3-inch display and harnesses the sun's energy to extend its battery life. In smartwatch mode, it lasts up to 18 days while indoors, or 22 days when it gets 3 hours of direct sunlight each day. In GPS mode, it'll last for 57 hours indoors or 73 hours using solar charging. There are thousands of preloaded maps of golf courses and ski resorts worldwide, and you can download top-octave maps for any region you explore. What we like about it: multi-band GPS technology, solar charging, great battery life, more than 30 sports apps, Garmin Pay and top-octave maps. What we don't like about it: expensive. Number 4. Sundo 9 Barrow. If you like getting lost in the wilderness but having a route home on your wrist, get the Sundo 9 Barrow. This model has 3 GPS battery modes: Performance, Endurance, and Ultra. Depending on what GPS mode you choose, the battery will last between 25 to 120 hours if you're continuously tracking exercise. The 50mm watch achieves such a long battery life by using Sundo's FusedTrack algorithm, which combines GPS and motion sensor data to improve tracking and distance accuracy. This can extend the battery life by lowering the GPS power without significantly compromising accuracy. What we like about it: 3 GPS modes, Sundo's FusedTrack algorithm, more than 80 sports modes, monitors sleep and long-term trends, works with Sundo's new app. What we don't like about it: quite large for everyday use. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. If you rock an Android phone and want a GPS watch that's an all-rounder, choose the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. A digital bezel that uses haptic feedback wraps the 1.4-inch Super LED screen. This model charges wirelessly, and the 44mm model lasts up to 3 days between charges. There's 16 GB of built-in memory, and the Galaxy Watch 4 features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE connectivity. This model's workout tracker recognizes 6 popular activities automatically within 3 minutes of starting and can work with your smartphone to give you live coaching prompts. What we like about it? Good value. Lots of wellness and activity tracking features. 16 GB of built-in memory. Works with Play Store apps and Google Pay. Battery lasts up to 3 days. What we don't like about it? Doesn't work with iPhones. You need a Samsung Galaxy to use all features. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.